Coming from a heritage of 120 years of innovation and a passion to constantly reinvent the hair care industry, we at Schwarzkopf Professional are proud to present our latest breakthrough that will take hair repair to the next level. Existing technologies have, until now, focused on refilling the keratin gaps in the hair structure, but we decided to push the boundaries and rethink the way hair is repaired. We asked a simple question: could we somehow manage to actively close the hair structure, both internally and externally? The process wasn't easy. It took more than 10 years of research, 4 different PhD theses, 10 patents, and countless tests. But finally, we succeeded. We created 2 outstanding technologies and decided to combine them into the most powerful repair service that we have ever created at Schwarzkopf Professional: Fibre Clinix. We called the first technology triple bonding, which can access the deepest layers of the hair and create a 3-dimensional network that connects the bonds inside the hair, actively closing the inner hair structure to strengthen the overall hair fiber, making it 10 times stronger. This in itself is a breakthrough discovery, but we have gone further. We have created a second technology that targets the outer layer of the hair, C21. Thanks to C21, we are now able to fundamentally repair the protective lipid layer of the hair's cuticle, restoring the 21 lipids, which are even closer to the natural structure of the hair surface. These 2 breakthrough technologies have been combined into a unique, personalized in-salon service that is customizable using 5 skincare-inspired ingredient-based boosters that target each client's individual hair needs. Welcome to our world, the world of Fibre Clinix.